Hey guys, so today I'm going to be walking you through how to chop up a whole chicken and how to use it to make curry chicken. So let's get started. All right, so now that we have our chicken cut up into significantly smaller pieces, we're going to wash it with some lime to clean it off. Some lime and water. And then once we wash it off, then we'll begin seasoning it. So here we have our ingredients that we're gonna be adding to our chicken that we've chopped up and cleaned. So we have scallion, tomato, a little piece of ginger, bell pepper, onion, garlic, thyme, and a couple of seeds of pimento. And for our powdered seasoning, we're gonna be using the Creole seasoning, paprika, garlic, curry powder, onion powder, and black pepper. Of course, if you have habanero pepper, you can put a little bit in there. I'm probably gonna put, or Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna probably put like a little bit of this in there, island heat, to give it a kick. And then we're gonna just go ahead and chop these up and season up our chicken, and then we will get to cooking. So I'm just guesstimating. I don't really know actual amounts because that's how island people tend to season things. They don't teach us anything with measurements. I'm gonna be pretty liberal with the curry. Then I'm gonna mix it all together. Okay, this definitely looks like it could use some more seasoning just from eyeballing it. So you're just gonna have to guesstimate as best you can. All right, so we've seasoned it up, so we're just gonna sit it to the side and we're gonna chop our veggies to add to it. So we're just gonna add some olive oil, but you could use really any kind of cooking oil to our pan. I'm not gonna add too much. Use this method where they burn a little bit of the curry, but you don't have to do this. You can see it's all nice and smoky. All right, now we're gonna start adding our chicken. Almost feel like it's too much at once. So we've added about 1 cup of water to it, and we are just going to wait until it comes to a boil, and then we'll put it on the boil. So while we're waiting, we're making 2 cups of brown rice. And then I'm going to cover it
4 cups of water.
And I'm going to let it sit on medium for maybe about 10 minutes. And I'm going to keep checking it. I'm not going to be adding any water just yet.
Bell pepper,
I just want to see where it's
and
at.
some cabbage. We have a little bit of cabbage left over. And I'm probably going to fry these plantains because I don't want them to go bad. Or maybe I'll make them tomorrow. We'll see how I feel. So our curry is bubbling. I put maybe about a cup of water, maybe a little bit more than a cup of water in here. And look at this cool little thing I bought from Amazon. It's like a spoon holder, but then it also has like a thing for your pot cover. That's besides the point. So basically, I am going to peel 1 potato and a large carrot to put in here in my curry. And then we're just going to let it continue to cook and simmer. And we'll check on it later. So since our veggies have steamed down quite a bit, we're just going to add some of this Saison Complete seasoning to it. And that's it. I don't like for my veggies to be overcooked. So we're going to get ready to turn it off in a little bit. So I maybe cooked it for maybe about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. But I don't like my cabbage or any kind of veggies to be like super smushy. So just a little bit of seasoning, and we're gonna keep the veggies kind of light. So we're gonna turn this off. And then all we're waiting on to finish cooking is our curry. So everything is cooked. We're gonna go ahead and turn it off and get ready to plate it.
And here you have our delicious curry chicken.
So that's the end of the video, and it was really easy to make that curry. Of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Comment below if you try this recipe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!